guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement opportunity from Capgemini. So in this video, we'll discuss all the things such as the job profile, the job description, the job location, the education qualifications, and the eligibility criteria. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over this opportunity from Capgemini. So let's begin. So Capgemini is conducting a off-campus placement drive for all the engineering and MCA grads from the 2020 batch. And the last date to register for this drive is Feb 5, and further they have mentioned here the information regarding the company. So I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to read all this company profile related information, you can just go to the description box. There you will find that link. You can go through that link to read all this information, and also through that link only you can register for this drive. So I will further show you how one can register for the same. So before that, we'll see all the eligibility criteria and all related things. So the last date to register for this Capgemini off-campus drive is Feb 5, and the further assessments will be conducted from Feb 11. So once you are done with your registration process, so they will mail all the eligible students the further related information about the further assessments and all. So talking about the eligibility criteria, candidates passing out in 2020 must meet all the following criteria. So they have mentioned a bunch of criteria here. So we'll go through all the criteria one by one. So the very first criteria is should have graduated in 2020. So this drive is particularly for all the grads who are graduating, who have graduated in 2020. And a candidate should have 60% and above in 10th, 12th diploma graduation till the last year and MCA, MTech. And third criteria is only 1 year gap in education is allowed after HSC. So make sure you have only 1 year of gap after your HSC, and no gap is allowed after diploma. That means in your graduation, if you have any type of gap, then you are not eligible for the same. Qualification MCA, BE, BTech, MTech, but must be from mentioned specialization only. So talking about the streams, so they have mentioned here all the streams which are eligible. The streams are information technology, information science, computer science, computer electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics, electrical, electronics and instrumentation, and instrumentation. And these are the streams they have mentioned, and must possess excellent English speaking and written communication skills, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, and should not be ready to work in shifts if required. So you should be open for all the locations overall the India. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment process. So make sure you fill all the details in your registration form well, so that you can get shortlisted for the further assessments. So they are going to mail only to those candidates who will firstly get shortlisted in the resume screening. And the very last thing they have mentioned here is selection process will be done in a virtual mode. So because of this COVID thing, so they are going to conduct the complete selection process in a virtual mode, and candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. And talking about the selection process, so very firstly they'll go with a technical assessment in which they will include pseudocode. And the step 2 is MCQ based English communication test, and third one is game based aptitude test, and fourth one is behavioral competency profiling, and fifth one is technical and HR interview. So these are the total 5 steps they'll go with. And further they have mentioned we would also like to reiterate, the technical communication and game-based aptitude test are elimination rounds, while behavioral profiling module is for understanding the innate profile of the candidate and is not a filtration step. So only the technical communication and game-based aptitude. So these are the total 3 steps which are elimination rounds. So others are not elimination rounds. So post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. So I will also show how one can apply for the same. So as we have discussed the complete things they have mentioned here for this drive. So I will also provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. Please don't forget to check that link out. And for applying, just go to that link I have already mentioned. Click on that link. So you will be just redirected to this next page. So in this way you can see, once you click on that apply now button there, firstly you have to select your college, and next you have to proceed. After this you will see another page. So there you have to fill all the information regarding your name, your email addresses, your phone number, your educational qualification details, and your academic scores, and finally you have to upload your CV. So by filling all this information and uploading your CV, one can register for this Capgemini opportunity. So this is a very good opportunity for all the 2020 grads. So please go for this drive and apply. So I come up with these kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to click that bell icon. And if you have any type of query while registering for the same, then please don't forget to comment all the queries in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends who are looking forward to have a good opportunity. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.